Right, so when I was stripping the primary case, threads were pulling out on these, which is the old stator mounting bolts. The threads are a little bit mullered on that one. This one, it looks like the primary chains had a go at it, so they're all a bit mullered. Also, when I put the bolts in the holes, I'll do it with this one because this is a full form brand new bolt, they're all a bit piss wobbly, which isn't good. That may not have been helping and why my stator was catching against the rotor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drill and tap again for 5/16 UNE using some UNC using some helicoils. So we'll get it mounted on the mill, get it clamped down, and we'll get drilling.
5 minutes later.
Right, to get my hole lined up, that's a 6.5mm drill bit. It's supposed to be 6.6 tapping size, but I haven't got one. So we'll hopefully get that lined up. Which ain't far off there, that wasn't a bad guess. So we'll lock the beds off that way. Can then get the drill bit in to do the drilling size for the tap or the helicoil, and I'm not making much sense on that. Right, so a bit of squirt on it, a bit of WD. Let's go for it. Deep enough? I'll come down a bit more. We're through there. Annoying when you can't get your tap handle in.
Minutes later.
Well, hopefully we're all the way through. Hopefully. So we shall see, shall we? Could have made life easier and took that stud out, couldn't I? But no.
2,000 years later.
Right, that's a nice clean hole. What we'll do, we will drill and tap the rest of them and then flick it over and hopefully get the helicoils in.
Chuckers, it's Groundhog Day! Get up and check that hog out there! Yeah!
quite go all the way through. So what I'm going to do is just run it through like that. There we go, that's got it. We can safely say that's all the way through. Right, bit of brake cleaner. Don't worry, I will be oiling the bed of the mill after this because I have a massive problem with tin worm in here at the minute. It's all damp and horrible. I don't know that because I don't want a face full when I hit it with the airline. Right, I've just clamped it to bed finger tight just to stop it tipping over. There's some good old retaining compound. So I don't want these coming out ever again, he says. You don't want to go in. Why do you not want to go in? There we go. We're looking in there, not too bad. I think that'll do for that one. There's only some way of moving the bed so the chuck wasn't in the way.
Like the dumbest motherfucker that ever lived.
So there we are then, thread repair complete. I'm not going to put a bolt in to check them because I've got to wait for that thread locker to go off. And knowing my luck, I'll stick a bolt in to check it and it'll go off and I'd have to get some heat on it to get it out. So I won't bother with that. So that's that for that video. Thanks for watching.